Welcome back! In this video, we'll be talking about the supplies that you will need and my favorite ones, so just keep watching. One of the many great things about brush lettering is that you do not need to spend a fortune or have an expensive kit. And guess what? It's super portable. Even on the go, you just need to bring a nice notebook, paper, and your favorite pens. Let's talk about my favorite supplies and what you will need so that you can start your brush lettering journey. Basic tools. I love to sketch my drawings with a pencil, and once I'm happy with the result, I go over it by using a marker. I'll wait until it dries and gently erase out my pencil lines. Brush pens. With more than 96 colors to choose from, the Tombow brush pens are the most frequent choice. Their tips are flexible, durable, self-cleaning, and dual-sided. They are a little bit pricey, but you can get them cheaper on Amazon. However, they are worth the investment. A more affordable option is this Tombow brush pen. They have a hard and soft tip. I recommend the hard tip for beginners. It offers a little bit more forgiveness with pressure. WATERBRUSH and ink. You can add some fun to your brush lettering practice by using WATERBRUSH pens. My favorite is the Pentel Aquash Water Brush pen, but you can also use a paintbrush. As to the ink, I like to use the Winsor & Newton drawing ink or the Speedball Super Black India ink. You can also use watercolors such as fintech sets. Paper. To start your practice, get a smoother paper. As guidance, you can print my free worksheet as many as you want. Don't use regular printing paper. Its texture will damage your brush pens and the ink might bleed and damage your artwork. I like to use the HP laser paper or Rhodia dot pad. I have links to other resources I've mentioned in the description below, as well as a couple of other options. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.